Oh, before anything else, I'm gonna make this video. I forgot to say it first. I'm not sponsored anyway with any of these brands here. I just bought it with my own money, and yeah, they don't know. They don't care about me. I'm just making this video for you guys to see. So yeah, you all know I love my Pocket 3 camera, and I have a lot of bottom plates. This is my favorite, and it's just nothing. It's just a quarter thread underneath. Doesn't have any other functions, and it's sleek. It's so smooth. I love this. And spoiler alert, I still love this, but just got this one here from Ulanzi. It's the Ulanzi bottom plate. And the thing about this Ulanzi bottom plate is that yeah, in here you can see you can use an Arca base plate. You can use it as an Arca base plate, and this part here you can use it as an action connectors. Like this is a DJI action connector, and you can just connect it there. Sticks, and you can put your pocket there. It kinda doesn't fit easily. It's just like the old one that I got, the one that I reviewed a few days back. It doesn't fit easily. You just have to force it a bit. I don't know if yeah, but it fits snug once it's there, so it's good. I just don't like this sharp thingies in here, because when you try to fold it, you can feel it. It's like, yeah, I don't like this sharp things in here. But the thing is, you need it for the Arca connector, and also this connector here for the action. So I used to have this, which I reviewed before, and unlike the difference between the two is that this one here has the the 2-prong from GoPro. This one doesn't have any. But the good thing about this is that it's magnetic, so you can put it on metal. You can clip it anywhere, and yeah, there you go. So yeah, from the two, thinking I prefer this one here, because has a magnetic bottom. You can plug it to anything and it sticks there. You can plug it to your car, to the body of your car. It sticks. This one, I think this has a bit of magnetic thingy majiggy, but it's not that strong. I'll try it in a few, but the last time I tried it, it's not that strong compared to this. The only plus with this is you have this GoPro. I don't use it anymore, but this GoPro dual prong. So this dual prong is there. You can mount it to a GoPro mount, and you're good with it. But other than that, yeah, I prefer the magnet. Magnet has a lot of uses. I don't use a lot of GoPro connectors. The only thing with this is that, as you can see from the bottom part, this one has contour, but this is so big. This one here is like square, but this is small. I don't know. Let me just compare the two. They look the same, but yeah, this one fits faster. This one and this, the Ulanzi one fits faster. This one takes a bit of pushing around. Like if you connect it, try to push it, you try to force it in. But once it's connected, it's good. So I don't know. I tried to get these twos, but yeah, they didn't make the cut. I'm going back to my original one, which is this one here, not branded. So yeah.